Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Word and selecting the exact text you want to fix. If you need the whole file, press Ctrl+A. Once done, go to the Home tab and click the small font dialog launcher in the corner. This gives you the detailed controls. You do this because the quick ribbon lacks the fine typography settings. The dialog reveals character spacing options. Make sure to keep the selection active so your changes apply to only the intended text. You now use the Advanced or Character Spacing tab inside the font dialog to control letter spacing. Set spacing to normal and scale to 100%. That directly removes added gaps. If you see expanded or condensed, change it to normal. Also set the spacing value to 0 pt and uncheck any custom kerning thresholds unless you need them. Once you apply these settings, Word returns characters to default metrics, which fixes uneven looking. You finish by clicking Apply or OK, then inspect the text at 100% zoom so you see real spacing. Zoom tricks can mislead you. If spacing issues remain, clear direct character formatting with Ctrl plus spacebar to revert to style defaults. You should also check the active style, embedded fonts, or document compatibility mode. Pasted text can carry hidden spacing. If nothing helps, replace the font temporarily to test whether the font file causes the problem, and then reinstall or choose an alternative font.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.